is Guru Ramakrishna. This is basically the next level part of the language bar. Here we saw that basically how the visa process basically is happening. So here one person asked the question, in human souls basically, which is getting created, their visa process basically they might be doing, because that is connecting to different countries basically. Mostly basically this might not be doing basically, but not sure basically. But whenever basically the human souls data basically is getting processed, that time basically mostly it might be connecting to only one country, because if they will connect to many countries, then superpower computer basically load will get more loaded basically. So this basically, so here one person asked the question, when the projects basically gets creates, they basically never the project basically never completes 100% basically. Change requests always are there basically. So same way here also basically, the souls basically is created, but few parts basically they keeps in change basically, change soul basically, that is the change human souls, to check whether the souls basically is correctly or not basically. So the verification also basically happens like this. So next video see.